Hello friends, good afternoon. Today's topic is text filters in Power BI. So let us see how to apply text filters in Power BI. Here is the sample data. I have created some sample data for this assignment. So you can see various types of data columns available in our data, such as number data type, text data type, date data type. So we can perform all the operation using this data. So first I save this file and close this file and upload this data in Power BI desktop. Select the sheet and click on transform data. If you use Excel, so in Excel you can find filters using this downward arrow key. So you can easily select or filter data. Suppose I am going to filter data who has shape mode first class. Just select the mode and click on OK button. You can easily filter the data, textual data, using this concept. Similarly, if I select second class, we got similar result. So this is the way, or basic first way, similar to Microsoft Excel, to filter the textual data. Another way, here you can find text filters. Suppose we start with the first option equals. I want a first class data using this filter. Click on OK button. You only get first class data using this method. Similarly, second option is does not equal. Again, I am going to type first class. Just click on OK button. So here you can find the data except first class, same day, second class, standard class. Similarly, you can apply same option here equals. Suppose I want to filter card category silver using the filter option. Click on OK, and now we get only silver card category data. Again, I'm going to deselect all the options. Next, text filter begins with. So suppose we want to filter data whose name begins with S letter. So you have to just select begins with and enter the value S. Click on OK. So you can see only three names are there which start with S what? S letter. Again, you have to click on text filters, and now we are going to check next option does not begin with. Just click on that option and select. It gives the input as a S. Click on OK button. So here, except that three mode of shift mode, we get only one mode because this word is not start with the S letter. Next option is ends with. Suppose I want to filter data which mode ends with class word. Just click on OK button. So here we get the output. You can see first class, second class, or standard class. This is the way to filter the data using text filters in Power BI. Does not end with. Again, I will enter value class in the text box and just click on OK button. So here we get opposite result. We get same day as a output because I have selected does not end with and enter the value class. Again, contains. Just click on OK button and here we get the output with in every mode class word is present, so it contains class word. That's why we get this output. Does not contain. So before that I close the first step, last step. Again, text filters does not contain class word. Okay, and we got same date result. So here we check all the options for text filters. Equals, does not equal, begins with, does not begin with, ends with, does not end with, contains, and does not contain. So you can use this option to filter the textual data in Power BI. Do practice at least 4 to 5 times. You have to do practice. You can find the data file in the description box. So please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel Jobs at Punyanagari. Thank you.